walking down the hallway right now at school. Yay!
Cool.
And
the door just opened.
Yeah, the door opened. It was really weird because we're the only ones here. So we think we're the only ones here. There's our school cameras, guys.
Smile.
But yep, this is Lincoln Savage Middle School. We don't go here anymore. Well, I don't go here anymore.
I never went here.
But okay. Okay, so right now we're getting ready to open the door to the hallway. Be really quiet, be really quiet, be really quiet, be really quiet. Rachel, look. What the heck? School at night in the summer. Really scary. Look up. Ew. Oh, nails. Okay, this is really scary. We need to get out of here. I'm so scared. We're just messing around. School's out for the fun. School's out forever. Woo! School's been blown to pieces. No more school. Wait, make sure you get this on video. Grab that. No, we can pick this up. Ready, set, go.
No, it's both.
Maybe it's not this one. It might be that one.
Oh.
Wouldn't it be really creepy to go down there?
A little bit, yeah. Wait.
Look at guys, here's my school. Do you think we should? Who thinks that we should pull a Justin Bieber and go in the thing and do some push-ups?
I kind of want to.
Me too. Want to do it? Fuller's classroom. Here it goes down. You know what, Rachel? You didn't turn your crap in on time. Your paper. Piece of crap! My name is Miss Fuller, you bitch. Here's the camera. Okay, playing around on the rolling chair. Oh, they fixed it. Try to open it. Lindsay's locker could just open. Okay, we should get out of here.
Wait.
Those are sissy push-ups. Our stuff has been done. Goodbye to the locker, guys. Have you ever wondered what a principal's office looks like? Well, there you go. Next one down, guys. Really. Dude! Go. Dude, we're in a bus. Wait, I want to sit in the driver's seat. Oh my god. Okay, let's go.